The X2X RMH QB solution is compatible with both RMH single store and RMH multi-store environments. During setup, you need to specify whether the license is connected to the RMH Central or RMH single store database. Rounding differences in debit and credit batch totals are common, especially when transactions are rounded, such as in Canada where cash transactions are rounded to the nearest 5 cents. These differences also occur with multi-currency transactions. Since RMH batches are automatically posted to QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, the system can allocate any rounding differences to a predefined rounding account. You can set up a threshold to ensure that only differences within this threshold are automatically adjusted. You don't need to manually create journal entries in QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. You can set up the scheduler to automatically check for any closed batches in RMH that haven't been posted and auto-post them. If you're integrating QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop accounts receivable and/or accounts payable with RMH, it's crucial that customers and vendors created in one system are also available in the other. The Customer and Vendor Integration Schedule allows you to set the frequency for automatically syncing customer and vendor data between the two systems without any manual interaction.